Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to use the flashlight on your iPhone. To turn it on, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center, then press the flashlight icon. Your flashlight will turn on instantly. To adjust the brightness, press and hold the flashlight icon. Use the slider to choose low, medium, or high brightness, then release. You can also quickly turn on the flashlight from your lock screen by pressing the icon in the bottom left corner. When you're finished, just press the flashlight icon again to turn it off. And that's it. Now you can easily use your iPhone's flashlight anytime you need it. Thank you for watching.